Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is the depth measurements. So depth measurement is one of the linear category measurements. Already I told what is measurement. Measurement is to measure the parameters of the product. So parameters of the product. So this is a simple one measurement. You study of the measurement means that is called as a metrology. So in our metrology, already I told the 5 categories of measurements: linear, angular, form measurements, straightness measurements, roundness measurements, and also other type of measurements or advanced measurements. Okay. So depth means you select any one depth product, easily you can measure the depth gauge. So this is a depth gauge. This is a vernier depth gauge. So this is a main scale, and also this is a vernier scale, and this is a locking screw, and also this is a measuring jaw. Already I told the caliper, the 4 parts, major parts. One is main scale, second one is vernier scale, and the third one is locking screw. The fourth one is the measuring jaw. Measuring jaw is having 2 types in vernier caliper. That is the external measuring jaw, internal measuring jaw. But in this the one measuring jaw only. So this is a measuring jaw, and also this locking screw is mainly useful for to move the scale from left to right, right to left. So this is a simple procedure. Okay. And then locking screw locked means definitely your scale will be not moved. So easily you can measure the value quickly. You can measure the all values. Okay. And this main scale, mainly the values in mm or centimeter. In industry point of view, already I told the lot of values in mm. So the main scale value is the mm. Already the same procedure, the vernier scale is having 50 lines. The number of lines will be 50. 0 to 1 means it's having 5 lines. 1 to 2 means it's having 5 lines. 2 to 3 means 5 lines. So 10 into 5, 50 lines. Okay. So I measure the in depth of the object means just I select the vernier caliper in vertical positions. See the vertical positions. This is some, so locking screw will be in loose position. So easily you can move the vernier scale from top to bottom and also bottom to top. So I fixed means, so this is the fixed. I locking screw will be locked. So this is a measuring for simple procedure, a simple method for the procedure of the measurements. So in this measurements, you have to see the vernier scale 0 is directly coincide with the 14 mm, near 14 mm. That is the 0 scale will be in between 13 mm, 14 mm. Already I told in vernier caliper, you select the minimum value, so that is the 13 mm. Next you will see the coincidence value. Already I told the least count. What is least count? Least count is the minimum measurement. So the least count value is the 0.02 mm. Okay. So the least count will be 0.02 mm, and then the coincidence exactly the 17th line. Exactly the 17th line will be directly contact with the main scale. That is the coincidence is perfectly coincidence. You see the coincidence from left to right, not right to left. Please note your point, left to right. So the coincidence value is 17. So easily you can multiply with this 17 into 0.02. So 0.34 is the vernier scale reading value. Already I told the main scale reading, take the minimum value 13. So 13 plus 0.34, 13.34 will be inner depth of the my product. Inner depth of the product. So this is a simple way to measure the depth of the inner depth or outer depth of the values. So this is one type of the vernier. Another type is vernier height gauge. In upcoming video series, how to measure the height of the product. So in this categories will be totally covered in the linear measuring instruments. So in next month video series, you have to see the angular measuring instruments. So the lot of instruments is there, like a sine bar, bevel protectors, autocalimeters. Autocalimeter is a double purpose. It measure the flatness also and also to measure the angle also. So these are the simple measurement for inner depth of the product. This is a linear category type of measurements. So these are the unit will be, you follow the standard unit means meter, or normal unit means industry unit means is the mm. So 13.34 mm is the my product inner depth value.